You ever stood in front of the mirror, looked closely at your skin, and thought, what happened to that youthful glow I once had? I've been there too. We try serums, facials, expensive creams, and even consider injections, hoping for that firmness, that natural radiance to return. But what if I told you the secret to younger looking skin is already in your kitchen? Yes, today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple, powerful, and completely natural gel that works like a plant-based Botox. I call it my Okra Botox Gel, and it has completely changed how my skin looks and feels. This gel is firming, hydrating, anti-aging, and the best part? No chemicals. No side effects. Just pure botanical beauty. Before we diving, please tell me which country are you watching from, like my video and must subscribe my channel and share it your dear one who really deserved this. Okra gel is really a miracle, now let me tell you. Leaf fluttering in wind / what is Okra Botox Gel? So what exactly is Okra Gel? It's a homemade natural skincare formulation that uses the mucilage, the sticky, rich slime, from okra, also called ladyfinger. When prepared correctly, it forms a silky gel that lifts the skin, tightens it, and boosts collagen naturally. And we're not stopping at just okra. In this recipe, I'm also using other powerful natural ingredients like aloe vera, rose water, vitamin E, almond oil, flaxseed gel, and glycerin, all blended into one luxurious gel that your skin will absolutely love. Let's get into how you can make this at home in just a few easy steps. Woman Cook / how to make okra gel, step-by-step recipe. Here's what you'll need. 4 to 5 fresh okra pods, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, alsi, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, fresh or store-bought, 1 vitamin E capsule, 1 tablespoon rose water, 1 tablespoon pure glycerin, 1 tablespoon almond oil. Now let's start the process. First, wash the okra pods thoroughly and cut them into small rings. In a saucepan, add about 1 cup of water, the chopped okra, and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Bring it to a gentle boil for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. As it cooks, you'll notice the water becoming thick and slimy. That's exactly what we want. This mucilage is packed with skin-tightening properties. Once done, turn off the heat and let it cool just slightly, then strain it through a muslin cloth or a fine strainer to separate the gel from the solids. Now in a clean bowl, mix in oil from 1 vitamin E capsule, 1 tablespoon rose water, 1 tablespoon glycerin, 1 tablespoon almond oil. Stir everything really well until it turns into a smooth, creamy, translucent gel. Pour it into a clean, sterilized glass jar, preferably a dark amber jar to protect it from light. Store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 7 days, or you can freeze small portions for later use. How to apply night skincare routine. Now let's talk about how to use it the right way for the best results. Use this gel at night after cleansing your face. Start with slightly damp skin. Take a small amount of the gel and gently massage it into your skin using upward strokes, especially around the cheeks, forehead, and jawline. You'll feel it tightening slightly as it dries, almost like a natural lifting mask. You can leave it on overnight if you like, or wash it off after 30 to 40 minutes with cool water. If your skin is very dry, follow up with your regular moisturizer. For best results, use it every night, and if your skin loves it, even twice a day. Ingredient benefits. Let me quickly tell you why this simple gel works so beautifully. Okra is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It boosts collagen and reduces fine lines. Flax seeds are full of omega-3 and create a jelly texture that deeply hydrates. Aloe vera heals and refreshes the skin. Vitamin E protects against sun damage and aging. Rose water lightens pores and gives a glow. Glycerin pulls moisture deep into the skin, making it soft and plump. Almond oil brightens skin and fades spots over time. All these come together in this one powerful gel, and your skin will thank you for it. Store it in the fridge for up to 7 days. Always use a clean spoon or spatula to take it out, never your fingers. For longer use, freeze it in an ice tray. Use 1 cube daily. So if you're tired of chemical-laden products and want a natural, affordable, and effective way to take care of your skin, try this okra gel just once and you'll feel the difference from the very first use. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if you're going to try this out. And don't forget to share it with a friend who needs this natural skincare secret. Thanks for watching, stay glowing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.